Everything that you send into ChatGPT is held by OpenAI forever.
Every question you ask is a question someone keeps. Your worries, your ideas, the things you'd never say out loud. Most AI quietly files all of it away and builds a portrait of you out of it. And there's a deeper problem than storage. A handful of companies now decide what AI is allowed to say to you. And what the AIs tell us begins to inform the decisions we make in our lives.
If we as a society believe that that should be regulated, we are now regulating thought. And I think that's incredibly dangerous.
Control what the machines say, and over time you control how the people think. That's the thing worth refusing. But it doesn't have to work that way. Venice is the layer that fixes both of these problems. It's a privacy-first AI platform with the world's leading models, frontier and open source. And you can reach them without handing over who you are.
I like to compare it to the First and the Fourth Amendment, like free speech and privacy. These are fundamental American values.
Your prompts are not logged by Venice, and when a private model is selected, nothing you type will be used to train a model. And with anonymized models, the provider never knows it was you.
There are end-to-end encrypted models that are mathematically provable by anyone. You can get all the same intelligence without surrendering any of that privacy.
And once nothing or no one is watching, you actually use it. You make things. You ask the real questions. You build.
Those who utilize these tools to empower themselves, who take agency, they are now empowered more greatly than they could have imagined just a few years ago.
The full power of AI. None of the surveillance. Your ideas stay yours. Your thoughts are free to explore. Start creating privately. Build like no one's watching. Get started at Venice.ai today.